Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I brought back the Allure beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I just signed back up to the Allure beauty box. It's been a few years, and right now I'm not really doing any makeup or skincare boxes. So, oh, and my chicken box, they did not renew me. So instead of me paying that $200 and something for 6 boxes, I went ahead and signed up for a year. I figure that this would be a great way for me to get a few products and for me to start stocking back up my giveaway pile to pass down for you guys. I don't really remember what it was back in the day, but this one here, you can get it for $25 a month. They have a current special, I think it's like a Valentine's Day special because the code is heart, where you can get an extra $10 off your first box, making your first box only $15, and then it would be $25 a month after that. And then you could choose your lip oil, and that's another thing. Now, I guess there's like an item you get to choose like from a color variation, and they've already sent me like the one for next month's box to choose. So I think that's great that you could actually choose an item now. That wasn't an option before. The quarterly box is normally $69, but they have a current code, which would be $59 for the first 3 months and then billed at $69. And then the annual membership is normally $250, but they have a current code with heart to save $25 off, making it $225 for the year. And that one you get a free bonus box valued at $220 or higher, and you get that free OBAGI, which is the same for the other 2 tiers as well. The only difference is the annual membership, you get that bonus box, which that's what one of these is, the bonus box, because I ordered the year subscription. So I will have them linked down below if you would like to go and check them out. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to open both of them and see which one is the monthly box and then which is the bonus box. So I see Fenty in here, so I'm gonna assume this might be the bonus box. Let me see what this one is. This one is the monthly box. So we're gonna go with this one first, and then we will go into the bonus box if you're interested in that one. So when you open it up, here is a sneak peek. Something kind of smells good. There's a sneak peek to the box. And then you do have a brochure with this gorgeous lady right on the front. And yeah, it says you're in. Welcome to the community. Well, what you'll get every month is $100 or higher in value with at least 6 products in every box. 3 or more are full-size products. So it looks like you're gonna get more full size in the box now, which that's great. First thing that I'm seeing is we have Olaplex, which I love Olaplex. You have the Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum number 9 and the Bond Smoother Leave-In Styling Treatment number 6. So you have these 2 to try out. And it says the retail price for the 100 ml, which these are the 20 ml, is $30. And it says the 20 ml is included in the box. So again, these are not the full size, but if you do like them, you can purchase the full size for $30 each one. I've never used the hair serum or the Bond Smoother. I've always just used like their shampoo and conditioner, that kind of thing. So it's gonna be really neat to try new products. So there's the first 2 items. There's also a HelloFresh card in here, which I'm already a HelloFresh member. I have been for quite some time. This one here says 3 ships dewdrops, mushroom, hyaluronic acid. It's a serum. For this one, it says smooth and to cleanse skin in the morning and top it off with your usual moisturizer. Retail price is $37 for a 30 ml, and there's a 7 ml in our box. They also do give you promo codes on here, so if you do like it and want to purchase it, you can go find where to purchase it and use promo codes to save money as well. So here is another sample size. Now we have Skin Inc. Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. And for this one, It says it is a full-size product at 30 ml valued for $85. This box right here is $85, you guys. Smooth on the mask and let it sit for 30 minutes or overnight. It's comfortable to sleep in. It's so comfortable, we even like to wear it in place of moisturizer on days when our skin is feeling like it could use a little extra hydration. But it doesn't say you need to rinse it off. This one does though. This one says spread a thin layer on clean face, including under eye area, and leave on for 30 minutes or overnight. Rinse off with warm water. Use daily as needed. So I will pass this $85 skin mask down to one of you guys because I just don't care for the products that you have to wash off your face. I just don't want to have to remember the next morning, what did I put on my face last night? Do I need to wash you off? Are you good? Like, that's the last thing I want to remember first thing in the morning. So I will gladly pass this down to one of you guys to hopefully enjoy it and use it. But it does have a little seal right there. And it does say deep hydration, which I probably could use right now. Every time I go back to California, my face dries out like a desert. Like, I can't stand it. It just looks nasty. Even when I put makeup on, you just see, it's just, this time I literally was like just slobbing moisturizer all over my face, and that helped. But my skin just really, really does not like me when I go out of this moisture state. So this next one here says Mega Babe, the Glow Skin Brightening Daily Deodorant. And let me see what this one is. It looks like this one could have been a difference between maybe 3 different scents or something, because it shows 3 different ones. Retail price is $14 for a 2.6 ounce. And that is exactly what this is. And it says apply in the morning and you're good for the rest of the day. I am like a stickler with products that I use all the time, and I've been using the same deodorant for I don't even know how long. So I wouldn't really stray from my normal deodorant. Plus this little purple package here reminds me of lavender. So I'm just going to put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy or pass down, whichever. So there's that. Next up is, oh, this must be the item that we got for free because it's that OBAGI. That's what it said, you got a product free by that brand. And it says it's a hydrating cream. Okay, maybe this one I can definitely use. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of the hydrating cream to the face and neck daily. Avoid the eye area. It does not say to rinse off. Whew. So this one I will definitely try out. And I think it said it was like a $65 or $60 something value. And there's that. It's a nice large bottle, and I'm really going to put this on my face though. Powerful plant growth factors to help minimize the signs of skin aging. But yeah, so this one I will definitely try out. And then the last item in here is this Shade Stick Ombre Pomade Tinted Lip Oil. And this is the one that I could choose the color variation between. There's 4 different options. And this one I went ahead and chose the lightest color, so I would actually use it because I don't put color on my lips, but I love a good lip oil. So I got it in like almost like a colorless form. And it has this little thing there. It feels good on the lips though. But again, I really like that there's a product that you get to choose like the color variation. And so that's why I chose this no color lip oil that I can use anytime. So that's awesome. So out of the actual box, this is what I'm going to be using. And this is valued at $24. So that's over the price of the box that I paid being an annual member. So this one item here paid for my entire box, and all these other products I get to pass down in a future giveaway. And I'm really excited for somebody to try out this $85 product. And then this was the free thing for signing up that I'm going to definitely try out. So that is everything from the actual February beauty box. Let me go ahead now and show you what all came into the bonus box that I got upon my year subscription. So when you open this one up, that's what it looks like down inside. This looks like a big old like scrunchie or something. It is. It's a big old like scrunchie. I don't have that much hair when I put it up, so I'll probably just pass this down to one of you guys to enjoy, but it's the oversized satin scrunchie is what it says right about there. And that is the brand name. And it definitely is oversized, large, and in charge, nice and fluffy. And up next, we have a Banana Bright Eye Cream. Ooh, that sounds amazing. I love a good eye cream, and I really do love this brand. I love bananas too. And that's what it looks like. Definitely not what I was expecting. It looks like a mustard in there. It does not smell like banana, which I was kind of hoping for, but that's fine. And yeah, so we have an eye cream, and I'm all for that. I love putting a good eye cream on at the end of the night. So there's that one. Now we have, it says True Soft Argan Oil Soothing Hair Oil. I normally don't use any hair oil in my hair, so this will definitely go passed down to one of you guys in my future giveaway pile. Then we have is a product by Fenty. And it is, I don't know. It looks like it's a perfume. Wait a minute. I didn't even know that Fenty had perfume. Where have I been? Yeah, it is a perfume. Look at that. That's pretty. Ooh. It kind of smells woodsy, kind of like a... That's definitely different. It kind of reminds me of like an incense or something. That's what I'm smelling anyways. But here is a perfume by Fenty. That's awesome. Next we have is an all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. Yeah, I'm smelling incense and like a woodsy, kind of like a spices and all-in-one cuticle nail cream. And that is the packaging. I don't really do much with my nails, so I'll probably pass this down to one of you guys as well. Then we have a product by YSL, and this is a blur primer. I don't wear any primers, so I will definitely pass this down for one of you guys to enjoy. And then again, I don't use a whole lot of like highlighters and blush and bronzers, and I just don't do that. But I love getting these boxes because if any of that stuff is in here, I get to save it for you guys, and that's a win-win for me. This box is already cut open right here. I did not do that. So when this goes to somebody, that box is already like that. But here is like a sample of the blurring primer. Now we have, it says a tulip tint, Crispa Coral Lip and cheek balm. Leap. So the Crispa Coral is the color, and then here is the packaging. And then there's one more item left in the box. So this will definitely go to one of you guys because I just mentioned I don't do anything with blush or lip tints or anything like that. But you can see the color probably right on top. And then here is the actual packaging. And then the last product in here is by Grown Alchemist. And it says that it is a day cream hydration, 65 ml. Well, if it's hydrating, I probably definitely will try that out because again, my face took a huge beating. I love being there with my mom, but I hate that my face changes. And this is how the package looks. That's a nice size too. So that is everything that came in my free box, which is supposed to be valued at $220 or higher. So again, we have this product. We have the Argan Oil hair product. You have the blur primer, the under eye cream, the hair scrunchie. You have the nail cuticle oil, the perfume, and then the little tint balm here. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the February Allure Beauty Box with the free bonus box and then that one free product that I got too by doing the whole annual membership. What did you guys think? Again, I'm super excited to bring it back to the channel because I'm gonna have some great products to save for you guys, and that is what I'm all excited about. I'll find a few for myself along the way, but mainly I really wanted to bring this on my channel so I can start stocking my giveaway pile again because I've cut back on so many different other boxes and this and that, so I just thought this would be a nice change to bring it back. Let me know if you're excited as much as I am to bring it back for you guys. Let me know. I already told you the pricing and all of that stuff, but I will have them linked down below if you would like to hop on over and check out the Allure Beauty Box for yourself. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so then you can see all the different videos that I do. I do so many different types. If one comes up that you're not interested in, just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. So comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.